Hi everyone, this is Dr. Mark LeMay and welcome to the Wellness Connection. We are here at Grocery Outlet today. I'm going to take you on a little bit of a field trip to show you all the great USDA organic foods and non-GMO foods that they have here at Grocery Outlet. So come on inside. We just walked in the door and the first thing we find is some great 93% lean, 7% fat ground beef. It's a nice grass-fed ground beef. And this is only like $4.99 a pound. That's a great deal. All right, we're over in the meat section right here, and this is one of my favorite spots because they have, get this, they've got ground lamb over here too. I mean, this is amazing. I mean, it's basically $5.99 a pound. That is a super good price on ground lamb. And they have over here USDA organic ground beef. So this is like the best quality right here. This is only $5.99 a pound. So that's another great deal. And over here, you've got their chicken, USDA organic chicken over here too. So again, it's like $4.43 in this package right here because it's basically $3.99 a pound. That, again, good prices on USDA organic produce here. So, I mean, you got ground turkey up here. Gosh, I mean, they just have a bunch of different things. Here's a big huge thing of ground turkey. So this is a great place to go to get some great deals on food. So save yourself a little bit of money on your grocery list. All right, we're over here in the produce section and we came over to their NOSH section, which is basically the natural, organic, specialty health area. And they have bone broth, whole wheat ramen noodles, the USDA organic mushrooms, just a whole bunch of, you look all the way across this whole area over here, there is a bunch of different fruits, vegetables, and other specialty items that you can get that are really good. And again, great price here too. So let's go see what else we can find. Hey, we also got some bananas here, organic bananas. And then we've got these at Sam's Club, but these are yellow, they taste much better. So I like getting them here. All right, we're over in the cheese section here. And you know how hard it is to find organic cheese? It's really difficult at times, especially the sliced kind. But look at this. They've got organic mild cheddar, they got Monterey Jack, they've got Havarti, there's just all kinds. I mean, it's like they got the pepper jack, mozzarella, sharp cheddar. I mean, that's really good. I mean, you don't really see that very much at all at the other stores. So there's another great perk for coming over here to Grocery Outlet. Hi everyone, we're over in the dairy section right now where they have their NOSH type products. And I love the silk almond milk. It's a chocolate, really great flavor. Love this one because it's a great dairy alternative to everything else that's out there. So come over here and check things out because every week, every month, the produce changes like that. So you get a lot of other great types of alternatives here. So come check it out. Oh my gosh, they got flax milk here too. So that's another great alternative to dairy. All right, now I'm not, condoning a lot of eating carbs and stuff like that, but they do have the organic flour tortillas here also at Grocery Outlet. So this is another alternative to what you're currently eating, which is a much better choice. I didn't get very far, and then Michelle pointed this out to me because this is one of her favorites because she likes salt. They have the organic chips here. So the white corn chips, the blue corn chips, they have the one with sea salt, which is an excellent one. I like sea salt. This is a great place because you can get chips like this here too, not just at the regular stores that you go to. So come check it out. There's, again, a lot of variety here. How many of you guys like eggs? I know I do. I literally have them almost every single day. And they have organic, USDA organic eggs here too. And they got a couple of different choices here. They have, the brown eggs right here in a larger quantity, like 20 eggs. And then you have up here, they have the different ones up here. They have the 18 and they also have the 12 as far as like egg cartons here for USDA organic brown eggs. That's again, a great deal. So let's go see what else we can find over here in the baking section. I'm over in the baking section right now. They got a ton of different things here for you to try. And I'm not gonna go over every single one of them, but here's a few you might wanna try. Here's a good all-purpose flour made from brown rice, golden flaxseed, quinoa, buckwheat, and amaranth. Almond flour is a good alternative to regular flour because it's gluten-free. Here's a couple more gluten-free flour options. Anybody like chocolate? Monk fruit is a good sugar replacement because it won't increase insulin. Turmeric is a great anti-inflammatory, and we have a powerful liquid form in our office. Here's an organic tea we like. This cashew beverage from Pacific Foods is a great low-carb, dairy-free drink that's good for baking. This fun traditional drink is non-GMO, but it has 33 grams of carbs per serving, and sadly, it's low in fat, which is not good. Here are 3 examples of good fats which are important for healthy hair, skin, nails, and brain function. Apple cider vinegar is known to help with arthritis. Organic honey is an outstanding preventative of heart and cardiovascular disease. It's nice to find canned tomatoes that are organic. Same goes for ketchup. Even though this is high in natural sugars, it's a better choice than syrups containing high fructose corn syrup. Seaweed is the best source of organic iodine, which is critical to your thyroid managing normal metabolism. All right, we're over here in the frozen section, and again, you know I always tell everybody you want to eat wild caught fish, and here's a great wild salmon fillet, which is wild caught, and it's just basically the salmon with the skin on. Now, you also got to be a little bit careful here because, some things that you're going to see here are going to look really good. Like here's another one over here, and it's like a treasure of the sea, tempered battered halibut. It's wild caught, simple bake and sustainable, source. But when you take a look on the backside, this is where it comes in handy. You got to take a look at what are the ingredients, okay? Enriched wheat flour and yellow corn flour. But it doesn't say it's organic, which means they contain glyphosate, which is the pesticide Roundup, which is a known cancer-causing agent. Watch out for different types of flours that they're just not good for you. So be careful when you're looking at your stuff. It may sound good just because it says wild caught. Look at all the ingredients that they put in there so you're making sure that you're getting the best quality for yourself. All right, we're over in the frozen section here where they have vegetables and all the fruits that they have that are USDA organic. So if you take a look at this, they got the strawberries, mango, blueberries, they got cherries. They have just a whole bunch of different things and all the different vegetables that they have down here, like green beans, different varieties of cauliflower, carrots, broccoli, you name it. So this is a good place to get frozen fruits and vegetables. So this is a great section right here that you can find a lot of different variety of different foods that you like to eat and make it quick and easy for you. Just like I say, don't go crazy on eating a lot of carbs. Same thing goes with your desserts. We want you guys to make better choices. So just because it says organic on it doesn't mean that you can eat a whole bunch of them. It's okay to have them once in a while, but like I said, make better choices, and these would be some better choices for you to make. Sorry if this is making you hungry. All right, everyone, I got my bag of groceries here, and I spent a total of $27.13, and I saved $31.89. All right, that's my kind of spending. So thank you for coming and with us today at the Wellness Connection, and we will see you next time. But please give us a thumbs up. Click the notification bell down below here so that you can keep getting our great content every single week, and we'll see you next time.